Canva makes it simple to add underlines to your text. Whether you want to emphasize a word, create stylish text, or add a custom touch, you can underline text in just a few clicks. Let's go through the steps together. First, open Canva and start a new design or open an existing one. If you haven't already added text, click on the text tool and type what you need. Now, click on the text box containing the words you want to underline. If you want to underline the entire text, select the whole box. If you need only part of the text underlined, double-click and highlight that portion. Look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You will see different formatting options like bold, italic, and alignment. Find the underlined button. It looks like U with a line under it. Click on it and the selected text will now have an underline. If you change your mind, simply select the underlined text and click the underline button again. This will remove the underline. This is the simplest way. If you want a unique underline style, Canva allows you to add lines manually. Just click on the elements in the left sidebar. Now, click on the search bar, type line, and select one that fits your designs. In the next step, drag the line under your text and adjust its length, thickness, and color. The last thing is to move it to a position where you want it. This method is helpful if you want a bold, colored, and creative underline that isn't just the standard text underline. Once your underline is in a place, you can continue customizing your text, change the font, adjust colors, or resize the text to match your design. Underlining text in Canva is quick and easy, whether you want a built-in underline feature or add a custom line. You can enhance your designs with simple formatting tricks. Try it out and make your text stand out. Strikethrough text is a great way to show edits, highlight points, or create a unique design. If you are using Canva on your desktop, you can strike through text in just few clicks. And this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open Canva on your desktop and log in. Then start a new project or open an existing one. Once you have opened your new project, go to the left sidebar and click the text tool and add a text box. Now adjust the text size so it's easy to see. In the next step, click on the text box to highlight the text. Now look at the top toolbar for S with a line through it or an option labeled strike through. Press the strike through button and your text will have a line through it. If you don't want to strike through the entire text, click and drag to select only the word or words you want to strike through, and then click the strike through button and only the selected word or words will be affected. Using strike through in Canva is easy and quick. Whether you are editing text or adding style to your design, this feature helps you create eye-catching content. Creating outline text in Canva is a great way to make your designs more interesting. Whether you are working on a flyer, a social media post, or a presentation, outline text can help important words stand out. The good news is that Canva makes it simple. Let's walk you through the steps together. First, start by adding text to your Canva design. Open your project and click on the text option on the left sidebar. You can choose a pre-designed text style or create your own by clicking Add a heading, subheading, or body text. When you have a text, choose a font that suits your designs. You can pick a bold font for a strong impact or something sleek for a modern feel. Canva offers a wide variety, so take a moment to browse and find the right fit. And now it's time to create the outline text. Canva has a feature called Halo that lets you create outline text with just a few clicks. So first, highlight your text by clicking on it. Then In the top bar, click on the effect, and from this list of all effects, find and click on Hollow. Once you apply Hollow, the fill of the letters will disappear, leaving only the outline visible. The good about this feature is that you are not stuck with one thickness for the outline. You can customize it. So, after applying the halo effect, you will see slider for thickness. Drag the slider to the left for thinner lines or to the right for thicker ones. Experiment with thickness to find what works best for your design. Here is where you can get creative. After you've set the outline thickness, click on the color palette at the top. Pick a color for the outline. Canva gives you a wide range of color options, or you can input a specific color code if you have one. This step is perfect for matching your outline text to your brand colors or making it stand out in a design. Outlining text in Canva is that easy. In just a few steps, you can add a professional touch to your design. The best is that you don't need to be a design expert to do it.
You want to create vertical text in Canva, but you cannot find a vertical type tool like the one you are used to in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. In fact, there is no need for a special vertical type tool because there is a simple trick to do it. So, hey everyone, and welcome to another short Canva tutorial. And today I will show you a simple way to create a vertical text in Canva. Honestly, when you realize the solution, you will be surprised how simple it is. So, open a Canva and create a new design. Then, select the text tool and start writing. For this video, I'm going for a word creative. Just write horizontally. You will change the text later. Now, when you have the text, click on the text block and click and hold the small rectangle icon on its side. While holding the icon, move in one side until all the letters are under each other. If the text is now larger and cannot fit entirely on the design page, simply reduce the font size until the text fits on the page. Do you see so easy it is? While it doesn't work for all fonts, for most commonly used fonts, this trick can help you create vertical text in Canva, and it can be done without any special tool in few seconds.
The text looks boring when it's all in the same case. I use Canva every day for my design project, and changing text capitalization makes my designs pop. Let me share with you how to make your text stand out by changing its capitalization in Canva. This simple trick will give your designs a fresh look. First, you need to add text to your design. On the left side of your Canva screen, you will see the text tool. You can pick from the 3 text types: headings, subheadings, and body text. Each type serves a different purpose in your design. Click and drag your chosen text type onto your canvas. You can add all 3 types if you want: a heading for your main title, a subheading for extra information, and body text for the details. Put them where you want them on your canvas. When you first type your text, Canva uses regular capitalization. This means only the first word starts with a capital letter. But you can change this. Look for the uppercase option in the toolbar above your design. One click on this button transforms your text from lowercase to uppercase, or the other way around. I've learned that changing capitalization can totally change how your designs feels. All caps can make your message bold and loud, perfect for attention-grabbing headlines. Lowercase can give your design a modern, casual vibe. You can also mix different causes to create contrast and guide your reader's eyes to important parts of your design. Now you know how to change text capitalization in Canva. Open Canva and try it yourself. Start with something simple, like a social media post. Add some text and experiment with different capitalization styles. You will be surprised on how this small change can transform your design. So, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to get more Canva tutorials.